So the first rare bird alert of the year was at the Niagara on the Lake Sailing Club.
Yeah, the Western Grebe is showing up on the eastern coast.
We've never seen this bird, so twitching time. Alright, let's see how far we have to go. I ain't paying no tolls.
So we showed up at the Yacht and Sailing Club, where the bird was apparently sighted. What's going on, John? What are we doing today?
We're just looking for some birds, especially a Western Grebe.
What's a Western Grebe, John?
It's a species of grebe found on the west coast
And
of North America.
Where are we?
Niagara on the lake.
That's the east coast. This bird shouldn't be here.
Let's go look at it.
Okay. Yeah, I got a Han Solo vest on.
So we've made our way down to the open water. Time to start looking for our grebe. Oh, that bird!
Yeah, that's the Western Grebe. Looks like a grebe. Looks most like the redneck grebe, if you ask me. But it ain't one, 'cause it ain't got no redneck.
Yeah, it's got the white there on the front, all black back, beady little red eyes, sharp yellow spear-like bill for stabbing them fishes. It's a pretty cool looking grebe. It's my favorite North American grebe for sure.
If I had to fist fight a grebe, this would be the last one that I'd choose to fight.
Yeah. And their legs come out of their butt, kinda, to act like more like propellers to help them swim better, because they spend most of their life in the water.
Yeah, it's very, very difficult for them to take off from land, if they even can.
Yeah, you probably would never see one on land. Typically, they build their nest on floating vegetation. Cool bird.
Add that to the life list.
I see some other birds in the water.
Yeah, what is that?
That's gotta be a...
Oh, there's a cute couple. It's a couple of long-tailed ducks way out there.
Beautiful long-tailed ducks.
But there's something else out there. Is that it? Is that the grebe? The west?
No, man, that's loon.
Oh, that's a red-throated loon. That's pretty uncommon.
Yeah, we don't see red-throated loons that often, but we do see them, but never in the red breeding plumage unless you check out our red breeding video.
Only third time I've seen a red-throated loon. And this is third time right here.
If you want to see it in its normal breeding plumage, check out our red-throated loon video I threw up about a year ago.
The link may or may not be in the description.
Oh, look, there's some other things here that maybe aren't natural ducks.
At first I thought it was a greater white-fronted goose, but then these white guys showed up. I was like, oh, these are domestic geese.
Yeah, we got some geese here, and they kind of look like geese that we've seen before, but something doesn't feel right.
See, the best way to tell is if they have a really big gunt.
Moving along.
Oh look, there's some gulls there too. Oh, they're ring-billed gulls because they got the yellowish legs there. So that means they're not herring gulls. So the only other common species would be ring-billed gull. Yeah. Oh, and you can see the ring on that one's bill there because it woke up.
Yeah, John's very good at like telling what a bird is. He knows how to tell what type of birds are which. He's really good at it.
These are ring-billed gulls.
He's got it.
Oh, look at that! That common goldeneye is doing the space swim.
Canvas back looks like a redhead duck, but that back is way more white. Almost like a painting canvas.
Yeah! Look, if you ever wondered if ducks got itchy, well, yep, they do. I wonder if they're ticklish. And their whole bill and head thing going on there looks like a ramp we could like bike or skateboard off of. Nice and smooth.
Canvasback is a pretty large duck. It ain't a small duck.
Yeah. It's definitely a duck.
Yeah, basically that saggy floppy part by its butt there, kind of its gut butt. Yeah, that's gross. That means they're probably domestic geese.
Oh, definitely.
Bred for food and to have giant ass bellies so we can eat more of them.
Yeah.
So there's more meat to eat.
These birds are bigger than their wild counterparts.
It's been bred to kind of be bigger and freakier. Someone must have released these birds, and maybe they just flew away from a farm. But here they found a nice place to chill by the yachting club.
If they didn't escape from their farm, they definitely would have been slaughtered. Unless they were super lucky and became goose actors and had a great life. But that probably would not have happened. Alright, one last look at the Western Grebe, then let's get the F out of here. It's freezing now.
Yeah, and lots of people are showing up, and we don't like people because we're lone wolves that hang out together. No, not with other people.
I like birds.
Oh gosh, I like birds.
Like, subscribe, and share, please.
Oh, epic.
Just freaking do it.
Yeah, relink us to your buddies there.
Comment, I dare you.